What's up guys, it's Pete, and I'm back in the IPSi print lab with another video on the Epson ColorWorks C6000 series of color label printers. Now, in today's video, we're just going to be going over the quick, easy process of replacing an ink cartridge. Let's get started. This is a yellow 80 milliliter ink cartridge used for both the C6000 and C6500 models of color label printers. If you already know how to change the ink on a C6500, this process will be very familiar to you because it's essentially the same thing. If you don't have ink for your printer, you can always go to infinitylabelgroup.com and order yours today. We'll have it to you as soon as possible. The Epson ColorWorks printers not only have the ability to tell you when you need to replace the ink, but also when you're about to run out of ink. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that your printer ink actually needs to be replaced so that you're not wasting ink and therefore wasting money. Now in this situation, the screen is displaying that the ink is actually out and does need to be replaced. This is the screen you want to see when it's time to replace your ink. Once we have our ink cartridge, we can go ahead and open that up. All that's inside is the cartridge wrapped in plastic. On this side of the printer, if you pull down on the outer tab, you can see that we have the black and magenta ink cartridges. And on this side, we have the cyan and yellow. With that door open, all we're going to do is push down on this blue tab to release the ink cartridge, and then slide it out of the printer. Putting the new cartridge in is just as easy as removing the old one. All we're going to do is make sure it's facing the right direction, slide it into the printer until that latch clicks into place. Once that's all done, we can close the door back up and the printer will begin to charge the ink. That's all there is to it, guys. I like to take the old cartridge and put it inside that plastic that came with the new one, put it back into the box to avoid any unnecessary ink splatter, and then throw it away. As always, if you have any questions or comments, or there's another video that you want to see, please feel free to reach out to us at www.ipsiscan.com. If you want more tips, tricks, and how-tos on these printers, don't forget to subscribe to our channel down below. And if you need ink, labels, or supplies, head over to infinitylabelgroup.com where you can find everything you could possibly need to keep your Epson ColorWorks printer running. This has been Pete. I'll see you next time.